Hi everyone, my name is Silva Shakira. First one, introduction, food insecurity. This paper explores how globalization, building compassion to include international human rights norms, human and alternative trade, meet influencer, peaceful and future outlook and outcomes. For more than two Chuntur's composition of critics of the open global community have debated what hatter the free flow of goods, service, and capital make and the world more or less peaceful and future. Proponents agree the adaptation explain of commercial, financial, communities and culturalities the being them the are less like to go war. Shishan, Brian and Gladys 2003 for a summer of the possession. Not surprising, the two sides decide over what her more liberalist trade in agriculturation. Commodities will profit a way out of poverty of the developing country farmer. As here can the not food stranger lack of access to food, malnutrition of some combination of the three can also be a cause of conflict. Outcome on here is to demonstrate how globalization including three impermanent agriculture communities but also global norms and international promoting human rights and alternative development and the is content of conflict and food insecurity. Because no prevent student experience at camp, because to prevent students experience at explore the likes among all three a factor a second way to consider the relationship is to summarize and integral the acknowledge framework and frame of the main studies that have dealt my end to of the factor complex and food insecurity, complexion and globalization and food insecurity. The literature review fill gaps and creation of the accents complexion transformation literature which example complex typologization the history trend tried approach to check particular control level historical x the where will grow and then so much depends on context. What is not in this discussion is the trade in primary communities is accessories with a mouse word of the 199 and 200 at her as a kosher of conflicts or as integral like to food insecurity. A measure Johan and the Costa 98. The contents between global trade and conflicts are common for food and nutrition polymaths who are experienced interests in agricultural communities, which have been left out of most globalization conflict models. See, for example, P. Collier 233. Left out as free students have demonstrated measure 199.94. A third approach is to sketch particular country level history context where will the grown and the agricultural communities, so as sugar wines, coffee, and cotton agricultural pollution. A fourth and final perspective is to consider the globalization within campaigns to include human oppression, human rights norms, and alternative trade organization appears to have contribution to more peaceful and future outlook and level condition of agricultural production and trade and this broader globalization concept might be useful for formulating for more comprehensive agricultural globalization and complexion model of reserve and pollution. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity which given to me. And right now I want to introduce myself. My name is Iman Sutejaya. I'm a student from University of Umrah. And right now I will continue the material from my friend. Okay, let's get straight to it. On food availability, cumulative declines in main food production and growth rates of food production in 30 of 14 African conflict countries during 1970. Using the same methodology and extending the analysis through 1997 and across regions, the food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, founded during 1997. The developing world experienced conflict induced loss of agriculture output of 121 billion in real terms. In sub-Saharan Africa, the losses in the 1980 accounted for more than 50% of all aid received and far exceeded foreign investment inflows. Okay, next. Studies of the political economy of war seldom look directly at food insecurity as either a cause or a consequence of conflict. This is due both the complexity of the evidence of causation and also to the changing conceptualizations of conflict. During the Cold War, scholars and politicians focused on the struggles for land and assets to substance underlying peasants' wars of the 20th century. U.S. food aid helped friendly government maintain food security and political power. Agricultural modernization efforts, notably the Green Revolution in part of Asia and the U.S. government's Alliance for Progress in Latin America were framed and presented as alternatives to the repression of peasants' uprisings. After the Cold War, concern shifted from war studies to peace studies, which analyze the cause of conflict and its preventions, management, and transformation. Some focused on perceived environmental scarcities and their consequences, including food insecurity as either underlying or trigger cause, Homer Dixon. Whereas others stress political culture, identities, and harm. In yet another reframing, modelers associated with the World Bank projects on the economic.
Hello, my name is Ferdisis Kalombo. I will explain the material. The map and the tablet cannot spring the offering and post offering constant the to be foot scale with greater to 20 place of the protein and in my case for mere. Looking against to acquired food out on all healing food scale branches are conflict constraints. Comprehension of call me 1 and 2 into please 1 and 2 solve the fourth scale kind of the place using for exit the perfect of the function do not be in need of humanity as tanks. The wheat raised in this number also stadium made of wood, security and material need my require alina country by country security and in I capation. We see for more the number of active conflicts that not get on pressure humanitarian as assistant how the conflicts contain I question the Philippines and Sri Lankan had I speak a killings of food recently viral and the octane coffee starting cold stored for years. It is also true that there are a number of countries with very high levels of food insecurity and of conflicts, such as India and Niger. Regarding the assertion the Ploblajatan promote patient or the opposition to draw with conflict until we observe the ice-spine measure of offers just to trade. I own point in time appeared not to be a good indicator of conflicts potential of food security status. Thus, we rank number do not support the proponent the opposition to treaty is peace promoting. The events presented in the doubly also present to reflect the nation the after year of Glassmaster the iron-browning more peaceful the previous the chan I some unrealistic asset style resta national western in the Afghanistan and Iran as my of the key failure of the province the Kangdo war down assisting for history if former war Johnson but maintain renovate reflected in the photo which appears to breaking out only if analysis is based on costing region submit a speech so track the intensity and prolonged conflict in our and much me queer LTBA Sri Lanka dan Sundan.
Hi, my name is Reja Wahyudi. After the court were upon so he formed were the studies to fight student with analysis the cause of conflict and its prevention, management and transformation, trade as cause or clutter of conflicts. Studium of the possible relation between globalization and quantitative proximity underlaid the possible food factor, along with the steps target with trade and adhere were of faith related. the US government further shaped the underlying fast protein analysis. So it does not offer much guidance to climate marks. Throughout, Bang Civil War study come to at our contrary solution feeding a high risk of internal conflict and context combining low per capita income economic balance. Prior scholars began to give between the two studies, determining that the empirical evidence support both the wing that in general traits openness considerably reduce the likelihood of civil war, but also that natural resources.
Hi, my name is Asep Supriyadi. Market in arms with conflict from government by with income from minerals, drug problem, and other related and illicit commodities between 1998 and 2002. Legal arms supplier sold $5 billion worth of weapons to Africa. Globally, the black market in small arms is valued at $2 billion, and it supports lesser crime, corruption, and together at multi-socialist level as well as full scale wealth. In Africa, military forecasts are often financed through international transfer, including free sales of and concessionary access to primary commodities for petroleum and natural gas resources, and their control figure promotion in many of the late 20 country conflict and in geopolitics general, from Azerbaijan to Sudan. Trade in games, mineral and timber, finance, arms and mercenaries for money current. Africa and Asia hostilities. Sales of diamonds support hostilities in West Africa and the DRC, which also concedes cobalt, coltan, gold, copper, and timber to its military supporters. Countries that trade in the primary commodities show high rates of poverty and killed mortally than nations that do not, and they also have a higher propensity to conflict. On the opposite track, globalization and also includes effort to stem trade in the isolated conflict funding commodition. The Kimberley process, which terrifies diamond as not financing hostilities in Africa, and a timber cultivation process intended to raise funds on the military in Burma, are examples of such effort. In the next section, we consider the extent to which agricultural export commodities particularly sugar cane, cotton, and coffee, and linked to conflict and food insecurity. Export cropping can help peace promoting and positive food security influence, but the pace depended on the types of commodities, the scale and brand of trade, the structural condition of production and distribution of benefits, financial terms of trade, and particular leaders' calculation about the cost of warfare versus the benefits of peace. Assuming her of his side will win the Russian 2002 nutritional consequence depend on who controls who much of the resulting income and also the relative cost of basic foods. Reset sugars the trade reduce conflict infinities only when other internal political thrusts are absent, and we're trading partner only when other internal political thrusts are absent. And we're trading partner countries enjoy relative symmetries, economy, and military relation. At harvest, the revenues from food or cash crop production may quality as on of the source of greed or grievance in the incipience transformation and foster prevention of conflict. Given all this qualification, it is probably more intuitive to exempt particular studies of cash crop for insecurity and conflict under particular political economic condition. For example, small farmers have success in entering market for high value add fruit and vegetable export in sub countries as Vietnam and Uganda, where an increase in the staple output accompanied the growth in small farmers. Younger farmers, especially women, have access to land, capital, information, education, and health infrastructure. Women have access to land, capital, information, education, and the health infrastructure. But international marketing of cash crops such as French beans grown for export in the Burkina Faso and Zambia involves multiple layers of middlemen and many cultural health and environmental consideration for both growers and consumers. As a result, market condition can severely reduction cash crop incomes relative to food crops. Variations are not symmetrical and the playing field is not level.